Hey YouTubers! Today I would like to show you a camera built like a tank and still works perfect after more than 50 years. The black version was advertised for the professional photographer with a precise climate-proof focal plane metal shutter and with a special coated fast f1.4 55mm standard lens with 7 lens elements. For today, the camera had the basic features such as shutter speeds from 1/1000th of a second till 1 second and Bopp. Through the lens there is a shock-resistant CDS light meter. The f1.4 55mm lens is a M42 screw mount type. The closest focusing distance is 0.5 meters. Measuring the light with 2 CDS resistors. By shifting the slider on the left side, the light meter is switched on. Further pushing up activates the depth of field function. The prism reflex finder shows on the right side the light meter reading in form of a needle, which must be positioned to the center with the aperture and shutter speed for the correct exposure combination. The non-changeable ground glass includes a Fresnel lens, microgrid, measuring field and ground glass ring. The camera has flash sockets for M and X on the left side with a X flash synchronization time of 1/125th of a second. Also, it has a mechanical self-timer with approximately 11 seconds lead time. A detachable cold shoe had to be purchased for Deutsche Mark 3.50. In 1970, the chrome version with the 1.7 50mm lens was about Deutsche Mark 600, approximately €300 today. The black Pro version with the 1.4 55mm lens was about Deutsche Mark 700, approximately €350 today. The dimensions of the camera is approximately 150 × 95 × 95 millimeters. The weight of the shown camera is 700 grams, and with the lens we have 980 grams, almost 1 kilogram. This is the sound of the 1 second. And that's about it. As always, thanks for watching.